This guide will be for connecting a network client installation of OmniWin to a network server database on a Workgroup network. We've installed OmniWin on the client. However, we get a database connection error when trying to connect to the server. The error says, "Login failed." The login is from an untrusted domain and cannot be used with integrated authentication. If we look at this user info, we can see this is a local account called OmniWin. One thing to keep in mind is that Microsoft accounts are incompatible with SQL Server authentication of a Workgroup network, and if you're using a Microsoft account, you need to convert it to a local account. In order to add permissions, we'll need to recreate this local account on the server with the same exact username and password that's being used on the client. Go to the server and go to Computer Management under Local Users, and we'll create a new user. Call it OmniWin to match the name. Make sure the password matches exactly what the client uses to log in. In this case, we do not want the password to expire. Hit Create. After the user is created, go to your installed apps and modify OmniWin 2025. Go to Modify, then Configure User Access and Add Users. In this case, we're adding the user OmniWin. Hit Check Names to verify and hit OK. Then proceed. And once the configuration has been successfully completed, we can go back to the client and retry the database connection. You should get the activation form, where you can enter your activation code and start running OmniWin. If you have any questions, contact our Applications Department for prompt service, 262-532-4689.